finally been delivered in a case that once shocked Telangana. The Medchal Special Court has pronounced a historic verdict in the 2023 Kompally minor girl gang rape case. The incident, which occurred under Pet Bashirabad police station limits, involved a father and a son luring a minor girl under the pretext of shelter and then subjecting her to the repeated sexual assault. The case sparked statewide outrage at the time. Police pursued the investigation with a priority, filing a watertight charge sheet backed by strong evidence. Today, the court sentenced the accused, Shivakumar and Samuel, to life imprisonment. The ruling is being held as a landmark judgment, ensuring justice for the victim and sending a strong message against such heinous crimes.